Sometimes as we're growing up, it's really easy to look at our older family members or friends or cousins or neighbors and say, they get to do really cool things or they have really cool talents and I can't do any of that stuff. Today, we're going to read a book about a little raccoon who feels just that way. This book is called Something Special. And it's written and illustrated by David McPhail. Everyone in Sam's family could do something special. Everyone but Sam. Sam's sister Sarah played the piano. Sam loved to watch her fingers fly over the keys. But when Sam sat down to play, it wasn't the same. "You must have stone fingers, Sam," Sarah said. Sam's sister Flo played her first bass. She hardly ever missed a catch. Sam could watch her play for hours. Sam wanted to play baseball too, but he couldn't catch a thing. "Butterfingers," said Flo. Oh. There we go. Sam's brother Eugene was a computer whiz. He really knew how to make that computer hum. "Let me try," begged Sam. But when Sam touched the computer, it screamed. And so did Eugene. Sam's father was a wonderful cook. Not only did everything taste good, it looked beautiful too. Once Sam helped cook dinner, but no one was hungry. Not even the doggy. Sam's mother carved wonderful wooden birds. Sam thought they almost looked alive. He wished that he could carve birds too, but he was too young to use a sharp knife. Maybe Grandma will teach me to knit," thought Sam. "She makes it look so easy." But it wasn't. You can see poor Sammy's all tied up. The magician on TV made the disappearing egg trick look easy too. But the trick didn't work for Sam, no matter how many times he tried it. Even Sam's dog, Fred, could do something special. Look, it can balance a bone on its nose. "I can do that," Sam said. But he couldn't. "What else can I try?" Sam wondered. He walked down to the pond to see the ducks. The birds were singing. "Maybe I can sing," he thought, but not even the birds would listen. Sam went to talk to his mother. She was trying to paint a duck's feathers. "I just can't get it right," she complained. "Maybe it should be greener," said Sam, "like the ducks in the pond." "Show me," said his mother. "Why, that's perfect," Mother said. "This is fun," Sam said. "Maybe I will paint a picture." "That apple looks good enough to eat," said his father. So Sam's painting. Next, Sam painted a picture of Sarah with her flying fingers, and one of Flo holding the trophy that she had just won. "It looks just like you, Flo," said Sam. Then Sam painted a picture of Eugene and his computer with all of its zips and zaps. Sam's family thought that being able to paint was something really special. And so did Sam. So I really liked in this book that Sam didn't give up. He tried a lot of things, and even though he failed at a lot of things, he kept trying until he found what his talent was. And that's really important, that you keep trying until you find your niche or your talent or where you belong. I hope you have a good day.